This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Subaru Outback side mirror step by step. Begin by gathering a trim tool, Phillips screwdriver, 10 mm socket, replacement mirror, and gloves. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Remove the interior door panel clips and access screws, then gently detach the old mirror harness before installing the new mirror and testing the adjustment. Start with the window rolled up and the door ajar for access to clips. Pry trim gently with the trim tool to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Keep track of all screws and small clips in a container so nothing gets lost. If the mirror is heated or has motors, disconnect the wiring connector before pulling the mirror free. Reverse steps for installation. Align the mirror bolts, tighten evenly, and reconnect the battery to verify operation. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY content. On another note, the product seen here is the Droplet Owala water bottle, which keeps you hydrated during long repairs and fits most cup holders. Check the video description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. With the new mirror mounted, hand start all mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment before final tightening. Reconnect any electrical connectors, seat the interior panel, and press clips back into place carefully to avoid damage. Replace screws and trim pieces, and wipe the area clean. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then cycle mirror adjustments and heating if equipped to confirm full functionality. Make final torque checks on mirror bolts and road test the mirror stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.